Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube page. My name is Mawa and today we're going to be deep cleaning the living room. Everything from the couch to the tables to the carpet, everything. So please subscribe if it's your first time here. Hit that subscribe button if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you so much. Let's do this. Hey, so I have this. I want to have this in the washer for at least 30 minutes. They are not that dirty, so I want to have them in the washer for them to be cleaned and scented as I clean the other space. I'll be using Mukro. Is it Mukro or Macro? This is what we are using today. I use sufficient glass window for my mirror. That is a console mirror. The console itself, my table, and also my windows. In short, every glass surface I use a sufficient glass window. It works so well. You just spray it, then use a microfiber piece of cloth to wipe it off. So easy, and so effective. Smelling so good. That is also done. Hey guys, so the major part of the cleaning is done. The cushions are out there drying up. The others are on the other end. They're also drying up. We deep cleaned the floors and the carpet and everything. We didn't have the carpet outside drying, but it's inside. It is good. If you have loved it content, next time we'll be washing this place, by the way. If you have loved this content, remember to hit that subscribe button down below and share. Thank you so much guys for always watching my videos and coming back for more and just being so loving. I love it. I love it. Love you guys. A quick one, my farm has been doing really good. All the onions are here and ready. We have worms in my farm, by the way. See? Yeah, but everything is doing good. This is the passion. Just a snippet. I'll show you guys when it's all grown because I have some more stuff here that I'm waiting for. Yeah. Meanwhile, we're having misheveves. They are doing good. Look at that. Just some more onion on this side. Kidogo. This should be drying up as well. This is for the vacuum cleaner. I really love filming and bringing you guys new videos every week. So we will be having 2 videos a week. That is on Tuesday and on Friday. Remember to check it out both at 7 a.m. No, sorry, 7 p.m. Have your notification bell turned on and subscribe, share. Let us make our homes the best place we'd have ever wanted. Please let me know what you'd love to see in this page. We majorly deal with getting our lives better, being that girl, if you know what I mean, you know, a girl who has a life together, a mom who has a life together. Yeah, being that girl. So YouTube really thinks that you should check out this playlist. It's amazing. Let me know what you think about it. Till next time,
Adios.